First is landlessness. Now what is this landlessness? Means they don't have a field of their own. They work in others' field. Means they have to be dependent on others for their income. It is the first reason which leads to poverty. Second, moreover, why is it leading to poverty? Because if they had their own field, they could have grown some vegetables, some crops which would have helped them in filling their stomachs, which could have helped them to sell those things in the market and earn some money. But as they don't have their own land, they have to work in others' land. That is why they have to be dependent on others for money as well as for food. So this is a reason for poverty. Unemployment means they are willing to work but they are not getting work. Size of the family. First of all, they are poor. Moreover, the size of the family is so big that it becomes very difficult for them to sustain them, to provide them with food, shelter and clothing. Illiteracy. As they are illiterate, they are not educated. That is why they don't know about the family planning. Okay. Poor health and malnutrition. As they are poor, they cannot afford the basic medical facilities. That is why we saw that Lakha Singh's father died. Okay. Moreover, in case of the urban poverty, we saw that the children are undernourished and they don't get the basic healthcare facilities. So poor health, malnutrition. Malnutrition means as they are poor, they cannot afford a 2 square meal a day. That is why they don't get the required nutrients. And that is why they are malnutrition. They are undernourished. This only leads to, as they are malnutrition, they are undernourished, they fall ill, they fall sick very quickly. And as they do not have access to medical facilities, their health condition is very poor. Child labor. We can see that in the urban case, the elder son was working in a tea shop to support his family. Lakha Singh did not go to school. He started working from the age of 10. So all these shows that child labor, that they entered into the circle of child labor just to support their families. Just because of poverty. Helplessness means they are helpless to the situation. Day by day they are going into more and more into poverty. They are unable to get out from it. So they are helpless towards the situation. Okay. Now we will go to the next part.